guys, welcome back to Beat Beauty. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you how to create this makeup look that's perfect for Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is just a few days away. I don't know if you have any big plans, but no matter what you're doing, it's a really nice time to get playful with your makeup, maybe try out something new. And I got sent a bunch of lovely products by a company called Lapcos. If you're not familiar with them, they are a South Korean makeup brand and they have some gorgeous skincare as well as makeup products. And I really recommend checking them out. So they sent me a gorgeous lip color, they sent me a couple of different eye products as well, and they were just kind of the perfect shades for a romantic Valentine's Day look. So I wanted to share that with you today. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I've already moisturized my face. I'm gonna just pop my hair up and out of the way. Okay, now I'm ready to get started. I'm going to start with a base and I want to do a really sort of simple, glowy base, and I'm going to use this product by Sulwhasoo. It's the Perfecting Cushion Intense. And I absolutely love this one just for a really sort of sheer coverage. It covers anything you want to cover. It's great if you're worried about fine lines and wrinkles. It's designed to help minimize their appearance. It also has SPF 50. It's just a really nice lightweight foundation and you can sort of layer it up. It's got one of these cushions. I know they were a bit of a love-hate thing. Some people love them, some people weren't so keen on them when they were a huge trend last year. But I really like this particular one. So I'll just get some of the product with my little sponge and just start applying it. I usually start applying from the nose and I'll just work it across the whole face. So as I hope you can see, it's a really nice lightweight coverage. It gives you kind of luminescence. It's got pearl extract in there. It's also got some really nice skincare ingredients in there as well. So this is a lovely little day-to-day foundation I really, really recommend. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of concealer before I start with my eye look. This one's one that I actually sort of bought because I just ran out of my favorite concealer, but sometimes I find that's when I discover products that are amazing. And this is by Max Factor, who I don't often buy their products, but I absolutely love this. It's the Max Factor Radiant Lift Concealer, and it comes with a really cute little sponge applicator. And similar to the foundation, it just has a really nice sort of dewiness and a little bit of a highlighter in there. So it's just great for that under eye area. So I'll just apply a little bit of that just to prep the under eye area. And then I'm going to put a little bit onto the lid just to prep the eyelid for our eyeshadow look. Great, love that. Okay, so now I am prepped. I'm going to just apply a tiny bit of powder just to set that. I'm using the Rodial Instaglam Compact Powder in Banana. And this is just a really lovely, slightly yellow tinted powder that's perfect for setting your makeup. It's great for the under eye area, and it's gonna just help with any dark circles and with any redness. So love this one. So I'm going to start now with the eye look, and I'm going to use the Galaxy Jewel Eye Topping by Lapcos. And when I received this through the mail, I was like, this could not be more perfect for Valentine's Day, because as you can see, it's two different shades. You've got the shimmery kind of beige shade on the top, and then you've got this gorgeous red color on the bottom. And I would not normally be someone who would be jumping at the chance of using a red eyeshadow, because that kind of scares me. Like reds and pinks around the eye can be a bit tricky, but I loved the result when I first tried this. So really excited to share that with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my fingers. You've also got a lovely little mirror in here, which is absolutely adorable. I'm going to use my fingers, going to use the golden shade first. And I want quite a bit of product. You could do it as a really sheer wash, but I want just a little bit more than that because we're talking about Valentine's Day. You want to be glam. And I'm going to give you a sort of alternative, more glam look as we go along. if sort of your date starts going really well, you want to vamp it up a little bit, or you know, you do something in the day with this look and then you want more of a nighttime look, I'm going to show you how you can tweak it and look even more glamorous. So we'll start off with this golden shade and just put it all over the lid. And it packs quite a punch. There's some really lovely iridescent glittery particles in there. I really like to sort of work it into the inner corners of the eye just to really wake up the eye as well. You want to make sure you're careful where you place it because it is quite glittery. You don't want it to go anywhere that you don't want that glittery effect. Okay, I'm happy with that. Then I'm going to get the red shade from underneath. Again, it has a lovely iridescence. And I'm going to apply this closer to the lash line. And I just want to blend it up to the socket line. Okay, so next I'm going to apply some mascara. I want the lashes to be really fluttery and flirtatious, seeing as it's Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be using one of my absolute favourites. I've talked about them before. It's the Revitalash Primer and Mascara, Volumizing Mascara. So I'll start with the primer, which has this lovely blue tone to it. It's going to help to bring out the whites in your eyes, and it's just going to be a really good foundation for your mascara. Lovely. And then I'm just going to apply the mascara itself. This is just a lovely volumizing mascara, and it just really helps to just give you those really pumped up volumized lashes. Okay, so that's our lashes done. Now I'm going to apply just a little bit of blush. Now I'm normally such a sort of bronzy girl, but I think for this look I'm actually just going to stick with some sort of pretty romantic pink. So I'm going to just use one of my favourite blushes. This is the Mineral Fusion Flashy Tap Alloy. So a mineral based brand, all natural, non-toxic, love this. And it's just a really flattering shade of pink that would suit a lot of different skin tones. So I'll just pop that in the apple of the cheek. Okay, and now I'm going to do the lip, and I'm going to use another product by Lapcos. This is the Kissful lipstick, and it comes in a variety of different shades. This one is Fresh Pink, and I just thought it's such a gorgeous colour, and it's kind of like a semi-matte finish. It's just really dusky and beautiful, and I think it would suit loads of different skin tones. It's just perfect for Valentine's Day. So you could do it as more of a stain and apply it with your fingers. I'll show you, if you just dab a little bit on, it has a really good pigment. It's a nice one to have in your handbag, and you can just dab on a little bit of colour. You could even use it on your cheeks. If you did it more of a stain, that could be a really lovely day look with the glittery eye and then with just a stain on the lips. However, if you are going on a date or if you're going on a big girls' night out for Valentine's Day, you might want to up it a notch. And I'm going to show you how you can up it a notch both with the lips and with the eyes. So with the lips, super simple. All you want to do is get your lipstick and just fully apply it as you would a lipstick. So it's just going to be much more of a full-on lip look. So I'll just use the bullet. You could use a lip brush. But look at the pigment on that if you want to go full on. And it's really long lasting as well, this lipstick. I've worn it all day and it stayed on, which I absolutely love, especially, you know, when you're going to be eating and drinking and things. You don't want to constantly be having to retouch your lipstick. So That is just, for me, such a gorgeous colour. There's something kind of retro and old-fashioned romantic about it. Absolutely love it. So you could stop there, or if you want to continue to up your makeup game during the evening, you could also add to the eye look a little bit. And what I'd start with is getting a black eyeliner and lining the inner rim of the eyes, because it will just immediately add a little bit of extra drama. Because you've only really got shadow going on and some fluttery eyelashes. If you add a little black to the eyeliner, that immediately adds drama. And this is the Rodial Smokey Eye Pen that I absolutely love. Great for creating a full-blown smoky eye, but also really long-lasting if you use it in the waterline. I love that. And what I'm then going to do for a really beautiful vamped up look is use the Lapcos Metal Eye Tint. And this one is in a shade called Princess Aurora. And these are just gorgeous eyeshadows. You could use it as like a very subtle liner and just work it around the eye line, or you can use it as a shadow and a sort of sheer wash over the eye. But it's just a really gorgeous metallic kind of shimmery eyeshadow, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line the eyes with it to start with. And then I'm going to add a wash of the colour over the lid, building on top of that red that we've already used, and I'm going to use my finger to blend. You can just keep adding until you reach the kind of drama that you want. You can get a really strong eye look, or you can just do a sheer wash. So that's about it. That is my Valentine's Day makeup look. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching, and maybe I've inspired you to get a little bit playful this Valentine's Day with your makeup. No matter what you're doing, it's always fun to have an excuse to play with your makeup box. So check out the Lapcos range of products that I use, because I absolutely love them, and they're really reasonably priced as well. You can find them on lapcos.com, and you can also find them on anthropology.com as well. So check those out. Also, if you want to find out more about any of the other products I talked about in today's video, you can find info below. And if you like watching my videos, please don't forget to click subscribe so I can keep you updated with all of my latest beauty videos. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Valentine's Day.